Yeah, hi. My name is Shrekar from 1980s Military Hotel in Hyderabad. So I have the 4 branches in Hyderabad and Kajagoda, and Nanakragoda, and Sainik Puri and Nalgadla. Thanks to Rajgopal and Military Hotel, the best military hotel ever. Thank you. Thank you.